Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to install the latest version of PHP in a Windows 11 machine. So let's start. Open your favorite browser. I'm on Windows Chrome and type PHP. So on the first one, this is the official website of the PHP, php.net. So from here, we'll go to the downloads, or either you can go to website and from here, go to download from the nav. And from here, we have the latest version, PHP 8.4.14. And we have here two options like go for non-thread share version and the thread share version. I'll go with thread share version and click on zip. Now it will take a little time to download. It depends on the internet speed, and the file size is around 28 MB. So it's downloaded. Let's go to the downloads directory where we have downloaded file. Create a directory with PHP, and I'll take this drag and drop or just move it to that, and we'll extract here using mirror. I just copy the name from here and I'll just delete this file now because we don't need anymore. Just rename the directory, this folder name to the name we have copied, and just cut this and go to C and we'll place it here. So now we need to copy this path of this directory and open your environment variables and click on here environment variables. From system variables, we need to find here path and open that. So now here we need to find out what is the current version we have installed. Like we can see here right now we have 8.3.14, and I'll just delete this one and I'll add a new one. We have added 8.4.14 and I'll click on okay. Okay, so right now we have set up the all the settings we needed for that, and we'll open just bash or command line tmd, and right, just type here php-v. So you can see we have successfully installed the latest version of PHP on Windows 11 machine. If you make sure if you have you are installing the PHP and you have already opened tabs in your system, just close all of them after that and open the tab again, either it's the bash or any of the terminals, so it can show the latest one. So good luck guys. If you have any curious question, feel free to comment below, subscribe to the channel, like the video.